Hey everybody, it's Ken B. I'm just doing my little Ring of Fire update. It's Sunday, May 22nd, about 11:52 p.m. Pacific time. What I got here is about right around about a day, and these are the 3 and above for the day. And this is on the Earthquake 3D. Puerto Rico's still getting hit. Alaska is totally heating up. Japan as usual. A lot of 5s and stuff down here. Alright, that's that view. This is the Earth browser. That was the one off the coast of Oregon. These are all the ones off the Dominican Republic. These lines right here are actual fault lines, so they're sitting right on the fault lines. It's kind of scary as some of these are sitting right where these volcanoes are at. This one right here, I had a Dutch said that this one right here is a inactive volcano in the water off the coast of Oregon. Scary stuff. These are heating up here, down here, next to a volcano. Look at all these in Alaska, right over by volcanoes. Probably not a good thing.
Yes, Shield Rescue 1311 clears the scene. They're out by Station 1311.
These are over in Japan here. Alright, let's go to a different view real quick. This is telecast. Look how Alaska's heating up. That's just like 2 days. That was one off the coast, a couple off the coast of Oregon. There's just tons out here in California. I'm not a predictor or nothing, I'm just a shower of information. Check out Puerto Rico. Crazy. Indonesia's heating up. Japan still, man. Give those guys a break. These ones are hitting down here too. Alright, let's go to another one here. Live earthquakes map. Refresh it real quick. You can see the ring. This is the whole ring around here. It's heating up. Just thought I'd bring it. Alright, until next time, I'm out.